Hi everyone. Hope you guys are doing safe and doing good with your preparation. I know it is almost about to start the June and we hope that your preparation for the mocks is doing good. And this is a very crucial time when I think most of the aspirants is really confused on which mocks to take. Should I start it now or should I finish off with my syllabus and then do the mocks after say a month or two? And then while I'm doing the mocks, how do you analyze the mocks? That is the biggest challenge that I have been receiving. I think that like my entire inbox is flooded with so many questions pertaining to mocks. And that is where I thought, why not to just shoot a video and then share all the gyan and all the knowledge and all the information I have with respect to mocks to everyone so that you all can make the best use of it. And do share this video guys with every cat aspirant because mocks is the most important part and it constitutes I think 70% of your preparation. 30% is learning, finishing off with the syllabus, and third and 70% is doing mocks, analyzing and doing it in the right manner. So stay tuned, watch the entire video because I'm going to take all of these questions one by one. Okay? So yes, let's move ahead. That's the past year result. That's the full course. In case you need help with anything, you can just call me on this number. So yes, the first and the foremost question that comes to every aspirant's mind is, sir, mocks कौन सा लेना है? Which mocks should I take? इतने सारे mocks available है. And most of the option that every student has is IMS, time, CL, crack you. These are the four typical options जो सबके दिमाग में रहते हैं, right? And the fifth one is Prepzone. हम लोगों ने भी अभी हमारा mocks launch किए हैं. I'll come to that part कि what are those mocks? Is only Prepzone mock sufficient or is that like a complementary add-on to some of the existing mocks? ठीक है? तो देखो, let's understand कि mocks का major intention क्या होता है? Like why do every mentor or why do every coaching institute buzz about taking mocks, doing mocks? इसका advantage क्या है? ठीक है, तो see the major intent and the advantage of taking more mocks is, see you should be able to analyze कि यार इसके तीन चार parts होते हैं, right? I will just write down all the parts here so that we all can understand and then do the things together. So first is definitely 3 घंटे, right? 3 hour की जो sitting होती है, यार you need to sit straight and think through for 3 hours. That is very important, right? Second is strategy कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है. शुड आई गो बाय राउंड वाइज अप्रोच इन क्वांट, शुड आई डू और which strategy should I follow? Should I start with RC then VA then RC then VA? Should I read the question first or yeah? See, there are n number of strategies, right? You can ping me to discuss and finalize your strategy, but yeah, there are n number of strategy. No single strategy fits in all the shoes. You'll have to try hidden trial every strategy in different mocks in at least 3 to 4 mocks so that you're able to finalize one concrete strategy for yourself. Okay? Next is, why do people take mocks? Percentile, right? It is very important for you to know how you're doing against every other competition, against other students who are also taking the mock, so that you can sort of visualize and then analyze कि यार ठीक है, I think I'm good with quant, but actually am I really good with quant? And then fourth is time-based approach, right? You need to acclimatize your body and mind to sit in that 3 hour ka window in say 9 to 12 wala morning slot or say 2 to 5. ठीक है, if it is a 3 hour window, no one knows 3 घंटे का होगा 2 घंटे का होगा, no one knows it. Let's wait. But if it is 3 hour window, you need to acclimatize your body and mind. ठीक है, acclimatize body. So these are the multiple ways and multiple reasons why people take mocks, and that is how you should also choose the mocks कि यार कहाँ पे मुझे अपना analysis अच्छा मिलेगा. Where will I get a good analysis which talks me, which gives me a fair idea of how am I doing with respect to my competition, and also gives me an idea of what are the pain points, what is the major issue which is happening with me. Am I attempting too many questions or am I attempting less number of questions? Is my accuracy good or am I just spending quite some time in just reading the question and then baffling myself? You never know it, right? And that is where the analysis part comes into picture, which I'll come to in the subsequent slides as well. So see, usually people take do say teen mocks is what people usually take. But I would never suggest that only go by one mock. So it also depends on like which part of your preparation you are in. Definitely you have to take at least 2 to 3 mocks before 2 to 3 different coaching mocks before you go and solve it. Definitely you have to do it, right? But then which mocks to take, you don't know all of it, right? So here comes the major picture that I'll probably give you my experience, my suggestions. Again, I'm not biased, I'm not associated with any particular coaching out of IMS time, CL or crack you. The only thing I can share with you guys is basis my experience, basis the reviews that I've been getting from a lot of students, basis what our last year students have told us, and basis my personal journey as an aspirant. ठीक है कि यार मैंने कौन से मॉक लिए थे. So I usually people definitely take IMS तो लेना ही लेना है. Why? Because like ठीक है 10,000 plus people take these mocks and then you get a fair idea of like where do you stand in terms of competition. Crack you में के भी mocks अच्छे होते हैं, but the issue is 2-3 हज़ार लोग ही वहाँ पे mocks देते हैं, so you wouldn't know a better picture of your percentile. Hence, people prefer IMS mocks. But then IMS के साथ which combination should I take? Like, I personally prefer time. Why? Because time के mocks people usually say they are of slightly advanced. Like IMS के mocks will be fairly of CAT level. जैसे कि CAT में RCs आते हैं, DLR आते हैं, Quant आता है. You'll see similar things in IMS. Though जो अभी pre SimCATs हो रहे हैं, pre SimCAT 1, 2, 3, those are of slightly easier level. But I'm sure they'll improvise it, and then upcoming SimCATs you'll see it, which will be almost CAT level. Time ki verbal people are really fussy about it because thoda sa difficult aata hai time ke mocks. But then that is why I recommend people to take IMS plus time ka combination so that you get CAT ka basic idea. And given IIM Ahmedabad is setting up paper this year, you never know. So you also want to get used to a habit and then experience this thing कि यार tough mocks में how do you score? Because सब लोग का score तो कम आएगा अगर mocks tough है तो, right? But कितना कम होगा relative, have you done well or not? So you need to experience these things, and hence I personally recommend IMS and time. CL के भी mocks अच्छे हैं, crack U के भी अच्छे हैं. Crack U का LRDI part I personally like. But then the only challenge I can think is बहुत ही कम बच्चे लेते हैं. तो ऐसा कुछ मुझे रिलेटिव एडवांटेज नहीं पता. मतलब मैंने पेपर दिया, स्कोर आ गया 100 या 80 या 120, आई वुड नॉट नो सिग्निफिकेंटली कि इज इट गुड और बैड, which is why I recommend IMS time. Those are popular ones. बहुत बच्चे रहते हैं, so you'll get fair amount of understanding. अभी IMS में कौन सा मॉक लेना है, टाइम में कौन सा लेना है, you can just refer to their website. I think a plain vanilla wala package is good enough, which gives you a decent number of mocks along with a textual or video solution, whatever you're comfortable with. If you think textual should work, it should work, then you can take it. Also, कुछ sectional mocks also helps in a manner क्योंकि वो time based होते हैं, and then you can actually work here. 1 घंटे में मुझे जाके एक sectional देना है जहाँ पे मैं अपनी strategies try कर सकता हूँ before taking a full length mock. So you can try this out, and if you feel any confusion कि क्या लेना है, कौन सा लेना है, you can just ping me on my above number, and then we can chit chat, we can have a call and then discuss. Last one was Prepzone. Why Prepzone or why not Prepzone? Okay, let us come to that part as well. So this year, like last year also, we have started this hustle series, which got a lot of traction. 100 plus students attempted almost every hustle mock. And those are the hustles which we tweaked, and then we actually went and worked hard for the last few months, and then we finally converted Prepzone CAT 2021 mocks. इसमें फायदा क्या है? Very, very, very affordable. Like only 1,000 rupees is the fees, and you just get a lot of new mocks as well. तो अगर वहां पे try नहीं किया, this will give you a new variant, and the major thing is analysis. Like we have focused a lot, not on the content कि यार तुम ज्यादा mocks दोगे, because anyways I would also recommend कि आप Prepzone के mocks IMS time के साथ ही लो. 1,000 रुपए में कुछ भी नहीं होता. But then the major thing is analysis. So if you can see here, this is the type of analysis that you guys get. So we have worked with Preplift, which is our tech partner, and then these are the metrics on which we do analysis. It is artificial intelligence based analysis. I know AIML is a hot word, but हाँ इसके basis पे we give you the recommendation कि यार तुम कहाँ पे गलती कर रहे हो, तुम questions में ज़्यादा time लगा रहे हो, तुम. So these are the 5 metrics which we use: intent, endurance, selectivity, agility and stamina. कि stamina का issue है क्या है, and ये सारा चीज तुमको कभी भी नहीं मिलेगी. No one IMS time कहीं पे भी इस level का analysis नहीं मिलता. You just get solutions, and then ठीक है इतने % students have attempted it, जो बहुत ही basic analysis होता है. That is the only thing you get. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या देते हैं, हम लोग तुमको इस मेट्रिक पे वी गिव यू दैट पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ योर एनालिसिस, एंड रिकमेंडेशन भी मिलती है कि यार इन क्वेश्चंस में तुम वीक हो, सो ट्राई टू टेक दीज प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट, और जो सब इस पूरे पैकेज में इंक्लूड होते हैं. यू डोंट हैव टू बाय एनीथिंग एल्स. ठीक है, सो इसीलिए आई पर्सनली लाइक द मेजर इंटेंट इज मॉक्स तो ऑलरेडी है, बट देन एनालिसिस वाला पार्ट में people face a lot of issues, hence these mocks come into picture. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट फुल लेंथ मॉक फ्री है. आई वुड सजेस्ट यू जाओ पहला मॉक दो. इट्स अ 3 hour मॉक. इट इज फ्री फॉर एवरीवन. जस्ट टेक द मॉक्स एंड देन द मोमेंट यू रजिस्टर, द बेस्ट थिंग इज तुमको टोटल 10 फुल लेंथ मॉक्स एक साथ मिल जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई शेड्यूल वाइज है. यू गेट ऑल ऑफ इट एट ए गो. जब तुम्हारा मन हो, जैसा तुम्हारा बैंडविड्थ हो, यू कैन अटेम्प्ट दीज मॉक्स. यू वुडंट हैव टू वेट फॉर ए टाइमलाइन टू कम. अभी करना है अभी करो, कैट के पहले करना है कैट के पहले करो. इसके साथ साथ वी ऑल्सो गिव यू 10 मिनी सेक्शनल टेस्ट एंड देन 44 टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट एंड पर्सनलाइज एनालिसिस. ठीक है. So this is a snippet. If you want to discuss more or if you have any feedback or suggestion, you can always ping me. This is basically AI based personalized mock analysis. मैक्रो एनालिसिस मिलता है क्वेश्चन में कि भाई तुमको कितना टाइम लगा, बाकी कंपटीशन को कितना टाइम लगा, यू गेट परसेंटाइल रैंक सब कुछ. ठीक है. फ्लो एनालिसिस विच शो द रोड मैप ऑफ अटेम्प्टिंग द पेपर कि यार पहले तुमको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, इससे तुम्हारा स्कोर बढ़ेगा. ऑल ऑफ दैट एआई बेस्ड रिकमेंडेशंस आल्सो इज समथिंग दैट यू गेट. Revise your incorrect and overtime questions at go. Yeah, average time in question number 5 was 1.7 minutes, but then you have taken 3 minutes. So revise all of those questions in a single filter. ठीक है. डेली टारगेट्स भी मिलते हैं कि यार आज तुमको ये वाला टॉपिक करना है, आज ये क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. सो जस्ट एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ इट. ठीक है. I would strongly recommend. This is the website cat.preplift.com. जाओ रजिस्टर करो, फ्री में रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा. टेक द फर्स्ट मॉक एंड देन एक्सप्लोर द प्रोडक्ट, एक्सप्लोर द फ्री कंटेंट एंड इफ यू लाइक इट, दिस इज समथिंग which अगर पैसे की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है then I would definitely recommend. इसके साथ साथ IMS टाइम और ये this should be more than enough, especially for those students as well who are doing self preparation. ये काफी हेल्प करेगा. ठीक है. So now moving further, हाउ मेनी मॉक्स शुड यू टेक. ये काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. नो वन हैज एनी आइडिया कि यार कितने मॉक्स देने, कब देने, कैसे करने, राइट. एंड दैट इज वेयर दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. सो मे बी टेल मी यू गाइस कि हाउ मेनी मॉक्स आर यू गाइस प्लानिंग टू टेक. बिकॉज व्हाट आई वुड स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड इज, अगेन इट डिपेंड्स कि यार तुम फ्रेशर हो या फिर रिपीटर हो, राइट. इट वुड डेफिनेटली डिपेंड ऑन इट. बट स्टिल आई वुड से कि total range should be somewhere between 35 to 60 mocks. If you're a fresher, if you have time in your hand, 60 mocks का target रखो. And if you think that you are someone की यार time नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा hectic office है, सिर्फ weekends मिलता है, and that is, तो अगर उस time उस kind का personality, if you're a repeater, you're working, then maybe at least I'll say 40 plus mocks का target करो. Usually I recommend 50, but then because it is about to be June, I would say 40 plus mocks. And given guys, and trust me, इससे you will get a lot of confidence. इतना confidence बढ़ेगा ना that you'll be really feel like, you know, a lot of confidence in you, and then you'll feel happy कि यार mocks दे रहे हो. So it does not matter whether you'll score low or high. What will matter is वो वाला addiction बहुत जरूरी कि यार हर weekend बैठ के मुझे mocks देना ही देना है. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है कि सर आपने ये तो बता दिया कि 40-50 मॉक्स करने हैं, बट करने कब है. सिंपल कैलकुलेशन, राइट. अगर तुमको 40 मॉक्स करने हैं, इट इज अबाउट टू बी जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, राइट. यू हैव अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 to 6 months for it, right? 6 months. So if you have approximately 6 months or maybe say 5 months, then 8 mocks तुमको करने हैं. 8 mocks should be there in a month, right? 1 month will have approximately 4 weeks, so 2 mocks per week का average आता है, which means now is the time. Although you should have started taking the mocks say 1 or 2 weeks ago, but if you haven't done it, now is the time. Start taking the mocks, guys. Do not wait कि यार syllabus खत्म हो फिर करूँ. No, you are already late. Trust me on this. ठीक है. So you need to start ASAP right now. And 2 mocks per week का average रखो. 1 से भी काम नहीं चलेगा because you are already lagging behind. If you're working, Saturday Sunday fix कर लो कि यार Saturday Sunday मुझे mocks देना है. And very important thing is कि यार मॉक्स कौन से स्लॉट में देना है. कैट का पेपर यूजुअली मॉर्निंग में होता है, आफ्टरनून में होता है, इवनिंग में होता है, अगर 3 स्लॉट्स है तो. और 9 to 12 और 2 to 5 इज द स्टैंडर्ड थिंग, राइट. सो आई वुड स्ट्रांगली रिकमेंड, मॉक्स दे रहे हो रात में 12 बजे मॉक नहीं देना है, रात में 9 बजे मॉक नहीं देना है, सुबह 9 बजे एट 9 AM in the morning is when you should take mocks. Get up early, don't do anything in that day. ठीक है. पूरे दिन भर कुछ नहीं करना है. just get up, you do some exercise, you just do some sort of yoga, have your slight breakfast and then sit for your mock. ठीक है. 9 to 12 का विंडो फिक्स करो. Make sure that you are acclimatizing your body and mind as per the actual cash flow. तो what I have suggested as students is कि यार पहला मॉक तुम मे बी सैटरडे को दे रहे हो, तुम मॉर्निंग में दे रहे हो, देन नेक्स्ट मॉक शुड बी इन द आफ्टरनून स्लॉट. डू इट इन एन ऑल्टरनेटिव मैनर कि यार पहला मॉर्निंग किया, दूसरा मैंने आफ्टरनून स्लॉट किया, फिर तीसरा मॉक यू वुड हैव गिवन इन द मॉर्निंग एंड देन फोर्थ वन इन द आफ्टरनून स्लॉट. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. इसके beyond भी guys, if you think I've missed any question, you can always ping me and then we can discuss. Next and the last question that comes into picture is sir mocks analysis कैसे करना है? बहुत ही लंबा प्रोसीजर होता है, ठीक है, बट देन स्टैंडर्ड फैक्ट इज जितना टाइम मॉक देने में लगा रहे उतना टाइम मॉक्स एनालिसिस में लगेगा एटलीस्ट फॉर योर स्टार्टिंग 10 to 15 मॉक्स, ठीक है, which means if you're taking a 3-hour mock you have to spend 3 hours necessarily on analyzing the mock, because if you're just doing the mock without analyzing it, it is a mere waste of time. You have to analyze it first, right? Only then try to move on to the second mock so that you can actually improvise on your weakness. जो गलती करी वो next mock में नहीं करो, वही important है. That is why people take mocks, ठीक है. So in the interest of time, I would not go into the details abhi. I will also put the description in. I would also put the link in the description. Yes, already मैंने वीडियो बना के YouTube चैनल पे डाल दिया how to attempt and analyze the mocks, ठीक है. मैं लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. Go through that link and you would know कि मॉक्स को कैसे एनालाइज करना है. इसके अलावा भी इफ यू थिंक कोई क्वेश्चंस रह जाए या कुछ डाउट्स रह जाए, जस्ट फील फ्री टू बज मी. I think that is pretty much with respect to today. And yeah, guys, if you need any help with respect to any particular session, you can always contact us. हमारे पास individual sectional courses भी है, like only quant, only LRD है. And the best thing is, जो लोग self preparation कर रहे हैं, we also have a course of only personalized mentorship. No content, but then mentorship तुमको मिलेगी. I'll be the personal mentor, and then we'll work together on your mocks का score analysis strategy वाला part, and also my advanced workshop. So I usually take हर weekend में एक टॉपिक का एडवांस्ड वर्कशॉप लेता हूँ, वेयर वी ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट टॉपिक, मास्टर दैट टॉपिक, एंड देन इंश्योर दैट वी आर एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस विद इन 30 seconds. If you need details, you can just ping me and then I'll be happy to discuss. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you like it, share करना please अपने friends में, ठीक है, so that जो knowledge मेरा है, just want to ensure कि यार सारे aspirants at least know कि mocks कितना देना है, क्या देना है, कहाँ से देना है, कैसे analysis करना है before they reach on their D-Day. Okay guys, have a good day and stay safe.